Okay, we got cut just a little bit short, so this will be short and sweet. I just wanted to show you one last thing and how you can get driving directions. So let's say I wanted to go from Worlds of Fun. I would press driving directions, and then that's going to pop down another layer down here. And so Worlds of Fun is second. If I want to, I can just switch these. I can just drag and drop it. So from Worlds of Fun to St. Louis. And I want to switch those, but it doesn't really matter. They can go back and forth. Okay. And then it gives me the best way to get there. Now I can add another destination. And this time I want to add Silver Dollar City. Okay. And then it's just going to give me the best way to get there. So let's say that you know that Percy is on his way to Los Angeles. You might want to put in this destination to that and kind of see which way you want him to go. Maybe you want to pick different cities that you think he might stop along the way, and you can do that as well. So in an overview, you are going to create your own map of Percy Jackson, okay, of the United States and his journey from New York all the way to Los Angeles to the underworld. Okay, and then you're going to cite different things and places that he stops along the way. As you do this, and you want to make sure that you have put in information about each stop, and after you do that, you're going to want to share this map with your teacher. So if your teacher is Mrs. Crusoe, you're going to want to type in Sophia dot Crusoe. Why is it not coming up? There it is. Sophia dot Crusoe. If your teacher is Mrs. Schuler, your Dr. Schuler, you're going to want to type in Chris Schuler. And if your teacher is Mrs. Renfro, then you're going to want to type in Ashley Renfro, and make sure you spell my name right. It's L-I-E. And then you will press send, and it will notify me that you are complete. Please don't share it until you are complete, because as soon as I get it, or as soon as your teacher gets it, we will be grading it. Okay. Good luck on your journey. If you have any questions, review this video or the previous video. Or if you want to know further things on other stuff that you can do to your map, just kind of play along with it after you've kind of pinpointed and dropped all of your pins. Maybe you want to add different layers, and also you want to preview your map is kind of cool. You can do those things as well, but get the information down, put in what is where and why, and then share it with your teacher, and then you can kind of or play around with it, the different layers, the different coloring of the pinpoints, and that stuff you can do later. Okay. And so this is what a preview of your map would look like. Okay, well, I think that's about it. If you did want to, like some parts, it might be helpful to change the map to to more of a landscape map, where if you zoomed in, you could see different parts of the city and places if you zoom in pretty far. So right now we're zooming in on the country. Obviously, you're not going to see anything there. That might help you in New York City. So that's how you can do that as well. Okay, good luck.